Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Google Docs and creating a new document. This gets you into the editor instantly. Once done, rename the file so autosave tracks changes under a clear title. Next, make sure to set page setup, size, margins, and orientation, because it affects layout later. Finally, pick your default font and paragraph spacing so your first sections don't require reformatting. These first steps prevent wasted rework and let you focus on drafting content with consistent styling from the start. You now shape the document. Apply heading styles so the outline and table of contents work properly. Once headings are set, use keyboard shortcuts and the toolbar to bold, add lists, and align text. This speeds formatting. Make sure to insert images or tables with proper alt text for clarity and accessibility. When collaborating, share via the blue button and set viewer versus commenter or editor rights. Choose suggesting mode if you want track changes instead of direct edits. This keeps teamwork organized and reversible. You finish by proofreading with spelling and grammar and using Explore for quick research, which speeds fact-checking. Once content is locked, export via file download to PDF or docx, or use Print Preview to confirm pagination and margins. This avoids surprises in distribution. If something goes wrong, like sync conflicts or missing edits, refresh the page, verify your connection, and open version history to restore an earlier state. That one troubleshooting step recovers lost work and explains why you should name versions regularly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.